Good morning, my dear students. Today we start chapter 4 of class 6, and chapter is negative numbers and integers. First I will tell you what is integer and how many kinds of integers. So integer is the set of natural or whole number. Integer is the set of natural or whole number. It divided into two kinds. It's divided into two kinds. First one is positive integer and second one is negative integers. Positive integer, suppose this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All natural numbers are positive integers, and negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, all these numbers are negative integers. This is a positive integers and this is a negative integers. But 0 is not a positive integer nor a negative integers. 0 जो है ना तो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है और ना ही नेगेटिव इंटीजर है. My dear students, when we use the number line, then positive integers are increasing the right side. This is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. Then positive integers are increased in right side and negative integers are increased in left hand side. So try to understand, my dear students. So these, suppose 0, -1, -2, -3, -4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are negative integers. These are positive integers. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So these are this is a positive and this is a negative integers. Now my dear student, now question number we go to exercise 4a. First question, true or false? And first question is -16 is to the right of 20 on the number line. Suppose dash -1, -20, -18, -16, -14. Here -16 is to the right of -20. जो -16 है -20 के राइट साइड है या लेफ्ट साइड है. तो in this line on the number line, look at here, -20 is here and -16 is here. This is the in this side, so this is a right hand side. Means this statement is true. This statement is true, my dear students. Now -5 is an integer between -4 and -5. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -5 in the question -5 is an integer between means बीच में -4 and 4. तो -4 and 4 in the between -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3. So this statement is false because -5 is the left hand side of -4. So 0 is to the left of every negative number. 0 is every negative numbers. This statement is also false. Why? Because 0 is right hand side, not left hand side. Right hand side the negative numbers. So these are negative numbers and 0 is here. So this is the right hand side. No, the opposite of 0 is 0. Yes, this statement is true. The opposite of 0 is 0. All whole numbers are positive integer. All whole numbers are positive integer. Look at here. This statement is false. Why? All whole numbers are positive integer. This statement is false because there are two types of numbers. First number is natural number. Second number is whole number. Natural number is started from 1 2 3 4 dash. And whole number is started from 0 1 2 3 4 dash. So all whole numbers, or we cannot say all whole numbers are positive integer because 0 in the whole number 0 is included. So 0 is not a positive number and not a negative number. So but all natural numbers are positive integers, but all whole numbers are not a positive and not a negative number. So we cannot say all whole numbers are positive integers. So this statement is false. Why? Because here 0 and 0 is not a positive, not a negative numbers. So this question number first is completed, dear students. Now the question number 2, write integers to represent the following. Yes, my dear students, question number 2, write integers to represent the following situation. So first question is 4 degrees centigrade below 0. Below means this is the sea level. Suppose this is the sea level and this is the above and this is the below and this is the above part. So 4 degree below means नीचे. So we write -4. So 100 meter above sea level. The 100 meter above means ऊपर. So 100 meter above sea level equal 100. Now win by 3 goals. Win by 3 goals equal 3 and rupees 578 loss. Loss means हारना, हमारा नुकसान हो गया. लॉस मीन्स हमने इतने रुपए का हमें लॉस हो गया. सो -578. नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, 8 सेकंड बिफोर लिफ्ट ऑफ ड्यूरिंग a space flight. So 8 second before means पहले. So we write here -8. Now the question number 3, given below is a number line representing integer. Mark and write the integers corresponding of the following points, and which of the following points represent a pair of opposite. So this is a number line, and in the number line some points are here D, A, E, H, F, B, C, G. So minus 6 and 6. So A, point A in which integers? Point A, this is a minus 1, minus 2 and a minus 3. So we write here point A is in the minus 3. B, where is B? This is B. B, this is a positive integers, right hand side, and in the right hand side we write the positive integers. So 1, 2 and 3. So we write here 3. So C, where is C? This is C. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we write here 4. Question number 4. D, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So we write here minus 5. Question number 5. E. E is in minus 1 and H is 0. Okay. Now the question number 4. Write the opposite integers. Write the opposite of each integers. Now the question number 4, dear students. Here question number 4. First question is minus 93. The opposite of minus 93 equal, answer is 93. Because negative integers, the opposite of negative integer is, answer is positive integers. And the positive integers, opposite of positive integers is the negative integer. So minus 93, so 93. Second 82 equal minus 82. Minus 310, so equal 310. And 450, so minus 450. And the opposite of 0 equal 0. The opposite of 0 equal 0. Now the question number 5, dear student, write all the integers between minus 3 and minus 4. Yes, student. Question number 5. Write all the integers between minus 3 and 4. So minus 3. The between of minus 3 and 4 is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And the between of minus 2 and 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The between of minus 6 and minus 13. Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. And last one is question number 5, minus 35 and minus 28, minus 34, minus 33, minus 32, minus 31, minus 30 and minus 29. Now the question number 6, dear students, write the answer true or false. The smallest integer is 0. This statement is false. First, question number 6. First, false. Why? Because 0 is not a positive nor a negative integers. So this statement is false. Now the second question, minus 17 is greater than 6. Minus 17 is greater than minus 6. This statement is also false. Minus 6 is greater than. All these numbers which is written in the right hand side. So the number is greater than the right hand side number is greater than the left hand side. So first here minus 17, minus 16, then minus 10, then minus 6. So minus 6 here and minus 17 is here. Minus 17 is written here in the left side. So this integer is a smallest integer of minus 6. Question number third, a positive integer is always greater than its opposite. Yes, true. Third number, second is false. Third is true. And the fourth is -1, -2, -4 and -8 are integer ordered from greater to least. Yes, this statement is also true. -1, -2, -3, -4. So this we write here in the greater to least. So this statement is true. And last question, the greater negative integer is -1. This statement is also true. -1 is the greatest negative integer, because all these integers is smaller than minus, and negative integers are smaller than -1. Suppose -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -100, -1000. These negative integers are smaller than -1. So this statement is also true. So my dear students, today I have completed exercise 4.a 6 question. Next time I will tell you exercise 4.a question number 7, 8, 9 next questions. So dear students, thank you so much.